know you were there. Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you could already tell by the title, you already know it's Island Girl Meika back again with another freaking video. So I'm gonna be dyeing my eyebrows. Well, I'm gonna be tinting my eyebrows for the first time. I already went ahead and arched my eyebrows with my razor. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tint my eyebrows. So the kit I got is off Amazon. I'm gonna place the link in the description below, and I think I spent like $9.99 on this kit. It's the Godefroy tint kit for spot coloring in the color dark brown. So it says it's four application kit, contains 4 pre-measured color capsules, 1 cream developer, 4 applicator sticks, 1 mixing cup, 1 instruction sheet. So I don't need the instruction sheet, I don't think. So I guess I'm supposed to alright, I think I should read the instructions, guys, because I don't know. Okay, application. Before you begin the tinting process, it is important to remove any oils from the area to be treated. This will allow for better color processing. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with an alcohol pad and clean off my face, well, my eyebrows, any dirt or any oils. Like this said, my eyebrows are burning off. Woo. Cause guys, I just shaped them up with the razor. So it's kind of burning. So then it says, cleanse area to be treated with soap and warm water. I'm not doing that. Apply color from roots to ends.
Process the color. Processing times may vary. Please allow the color to process as follows. Light brown equal 1 to 2 minutes. Natural black 2 to 3 minutes. Medium brown 1 to 2 minutes. Graphite 2 to 3 minutes. Dark brown 1 to 2 minutes. Jet black 3 to 4 minutes. For first time users, it is best to process the color on the lower range of time. The longer the color processes, the darker the results.
If hair has a resistant gray, you may want to blah 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 blah. Examine results when hair has dried. For darker results, reapply mixture and process until you have achieved the desired color results. Color results.
You could do so.
Alright, so first of all, I'm putting on some gloves because I just did my nails today, guys. I never use gloves for anything, but I just did my nails today, and we're not doing that. We don't want to mess up our nails. I'm supposed to just put it in there? How am I supposed to know how much thing to put in there, though? This is not helpful at all. This instruction paper sheet is not helpful at all. Because how am I supposed to know how much of the developer to put in there? I don't know. I'm gonna just figure it out. And why is it only this little thing? This little thing. What is it? I don't think I'm using this whole thing either because I don't have much eyebrows and I don't want to waste it, even though it was only $10. But first of all, I'm gonna put the developer in first. These gloves won't let me be great.
You want me to be great? So?
It doesn't smell like anything.
I don't know what I'm doing. So then, I guess I'm supposed to open this. I think I'm gonna only do half. I don't have much eyebrows. What if I do the whole thing? I'm gonna do 1.5. Or should I say half? Half of this. So then, I guess I mix it with this. I'm gonna put a little bit more developer in here too.
I'm guessing it's supposed to be like creamy. So that's what I am trying to achieve right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I keep doing these things. Go to a professional, Meika. What's wrong with you?
A few moments later.
I think it's good now. All right, so no one saw that. So, what did it say? How many minutes? What color is this? Dark brown, right? Dark brown, yeah. So this says 1 to 2 minutes for dark. I'm gonna do 3 minutes after I finish putting it on though. So this is it, I guess. So this is what it looks like. But then I'm gonna start putting it on my eyebrows, I guess. So I'm gonna start with the ends first. I know I'm a pro. I got this. So boom, I'm gonna start at the ends for like a minute, and then I'm gonna do the roots. I think like so it has like the ombre effect. So boom, I am going to start at the ends. It doesn't burn or anything, considering the fact that I not too long ago did my tweezed my eyebrows. It doesn't burn at all. And I'm gonna try to apply it as neat as I can so my skin doesn't die off. You get it? Die off.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, so I think it's been like a minute. So then I'm gonna go back on this side. I'm gonna do it again. Wait, it didn't tell me how to. It didn't tell me what to do after. Do I just wash it off? I don't even know. Alright, so
Why does it look like my eyebrows are turning gray? Oh Lord.
So this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so my eyebrows are burning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the beginning. The beginning. What if I don't have no eyebrows after this? I would be so mad.
Before applying, before you begin to process the color, it didn't say what I'm supposed to do. It doesn't say.
Alright, so I'm gonna wipe it off. And then I'm gonna wash my face, I guess. I'm gonna use warm water. Oh Lord. Oh my gosh. I think I did good. So this is what my so this is the end result. And I think I look like somebody's child. I think I did good. So book me. The link is gonna be in the description. I'm a whole pro out here. Get with it or get lost. By the end of this video, you should be subscribed. You should already like my video. And tune in for the next video. Bye.